Hello guys, this is our official blog. So guys, today I talking about how to earn more money from online. You can monetize your YouTube channel. So guys, please I request before you subscribe our channel and like, comment, share with your friends. So guys, today I talking about how to earn money from online your channel monetization. So guys, you need to first your YouTube channel monetization need to 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscriber. So this is need to first way. Then you add your Google AdSense, and after you can apply for monetize. When you apply for monetize your channel review, then your content is better and good. You will find your congratulations, your monetize enable. When your monetize enable, you earn more money from online. So guys, first you need to what you do need to upload your good content and qualityful content, which one like your people, and which one like your subscriber. So guys, this is first thing, you need to upload good qualityful video, and also you need to upload for good quality, and also need upload good category. Which category your subscriber like, this category you need to upload. Example, you like the blogging, okay, so you need to this category you choose, and this one you will upload one by one your video. When your video you viral your video, then you can apply for monetize when finish your subscriber 1,000 and 4,000 watch time. But this is very how to you gain your 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 monetization. But I tell you very simple and easy way. Please, I request you choose your first category. Which category you know better? This category you choose, and this category video you upload every day. Okay? When you this category video upload your every day you can upload, and you share your social media. When you share your social media and your video quality is good and nice, and viewer watch your video, and you can gain very easy 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch time. When you gain 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch time, then you can monetize fine. Then you can earn more money from your monetized channel. So guys, this is very easy way you can monetize your YouTube channel, and you can earn more money. So I hope you understand, and thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.